So people keep saying how M4, M3, S55 sound so bad, and they're kind of true, but I found a way how to make the S55 sound as best as it can while not annoying every neighbor. So how I did it was, first I got the downpipes, and then I made it fully straight pipe besides the exhaust. And then that way I can control if it's loud or not with the flaps on the muffler. Since I took out the resonator too, it sounded like a Honda Civic, so I paid the guy to put it back on, and now it sounds perfect. I don't think there's any better way of doing it for this cheap, which was about probably $150 for the custom mid pipe, and then the down pipes were a couple $100. So let me show you guys the interior sound, and then we'll move on with the exterior sound, so stay tuned. This is in efficient mode. Nice and quiet. You can cruise on this exhaust mode. Put it in drive, cruises nicely, can't hear anything, windows are open too. Now we turn our manual mode to 2, and that's gonna have the exhaust all the way open. You can already hear the downshifts and the backfire. Check it out on the road over here. Let's see how it sounds. That sounds good. That was the exhaust noise from the inside. So now we'll just do it from the outside.